You're protecting your baby.
Yeah, she's very protective. That's why she's penned up. But I've got to somehow get hold of her calf later and tag it. I would never tag her calf with her around me. See what she's doing now?
Yeah.
That's her kind of her warning. You look after yourself, I'll look after myself. That's the godsend of every farm is a baler's fine.
Twine and masking tape.
She's
coming in, she's coming in.
What?
Oh, hello, QE. Oh, big boy.
I don't want you getting squished.
I got my camera on shore today.
I ain't got time to be driving you to the hospital today. No. So what we're going to try and do is let her out. Then we'll quickly get in with the calf and shut ourselves in with the calf.
Right. I wasn't at all nervous about this before you just give me that little rundown.
It's fine.
Now I might just stay here and watch through the window.
You look after yourself, I'll look after myself. I know the hydraulics are held on by baler twine. That's the godsend of every farm is a baler's twine.
Twine and masking tape. Hello, cutie. Hello, horns. Security.
7, 8, 9, 10. We can make that fit.
Said the vicar to the bishop. I haven't seen you before, have I?
Yeah, because I want everyone out the way, because when we open the end gate and let her out,
yeah,
only she can come out. She's a lot quicker and easier to use a chain. So I'll come out this gap here.
Right, that gap. I'll get ready to climb this bit.
Go out. Come on. Go. One.
Okay, Manny. Getting a bit restless.
Quite strong. That's it. Got the tags in. Both sides.
All done, sweet logo.
Cute. Right. We'll let her out, Mum.
All done, Mummy.
Herring in. Come on, little one.
She's coming in, she's coming in.
What? Come, calf. Calf. I'm standing there. Come on then.
You got a new house. Come in.
Right, we're going to take your calf that way, please. Go on, that's it. Go that way. Steady. Come on then. Oh. Go that way. That's it. Hey, Quite a nice deep bed. Within 10 minutes, I'll give her some food and water next. Within 10 minutes, she'll settle right down. Ideally, the weather will be better, and they go out on the grass. It's nice and clean and hygienic, and she can feed herself whenever she wants, but it's way too wet. too muddy.
Yeah.
So the next calf that is born will probably come and join her with its mum. We've just got to put 2 in here. Those pigs can be moved out, and then we can put 2 or 3 more in there.
Right.
And then once everyone's calved, they'll all go back together in one of the bigger bars.
Hello, my little cuties.
It's basically a mixture of brewer's grain that I get for free.
Right.
They save money by not having to send it to landfill. It's really high, it's about 26% protein. And then I cut it in with a bit of rolled barley.
Okay.
And then they also have their compound pellets, which has got all their minerals.
Look at that little cutie calf.
Look at her tags.
Oh no, you got new earrings.
You've twisted your tags
It
around.
looks so cute.
She looks gimp. She needs to spin her tags around.
Oh, I think she looks cute like that.
Oh, yeah, Freckles. See, Freckles, now she's got some food in front of her.
She's alright.
£20 and £28 a bale to make. £100 a day.
Right.
Alright. Hey, that's why horns, we took her horns off last year because she started to use them as a weapon on the other cows.
Oh, right.
She caused a few injuries. She learned that if she used her horns,
Oh, right.
she could get to the front of the feed queue, or she can be the first one through a gate, or she could be the first one to do anything.
Bully.
She snagged those into you, and
Yeah, I can imagine it would be quite pokey.
you can back off. See, that's the inquisitive look. Ears forward. Now she's chilled. She put her head back down. She's chilled. I'll get another. I'll get another grab. I'll bed these up, and if you want to see this lot come in,
Yeah.
they'll go mental.
Let's do it.
Yeah. See, all these farmers boast about their big tractors.
Yeah.
The number of people that say, "Oh, could you come and look out my calf shed? Because I can't get my tractor in there." Not what you've got, it's what you do with it.
Right, I got my
It
escape
might look
plan.
like they're going to come at you, but they won't.
I'd get over here.
You won't be able to see up here.
I'll just wait till they I'll just wait till they You got that style? That was a one-handed gate climb.
Wish I had a GoPro.
Hector!
Klaus!
Alright, big boy. I'll start pulling my pistol. Oh, shit, my pants. Alright, big boy. I'll start pulling my pistol. Oh. Won't be long, girls, boys. Girls, are you girls or boys? Both girls and boys. Oh, hello, QE. Food will be there soon. It'll be soon. You are a hungry lot, aren't you? It won't be long. I promise, we'll be very soon. Oh, you are so cute. You've all gone quiet. You want some food? Do you want some food? Yep. How much? Oh, I don't know if we got that much.
They want a really good cleaning tomorrow.
Cleaning day tomorrow.
Yeah. That's my boot. That's my boot. Excuse me. Excuse me. Everyone's looking well. Always have a feeding time's a good time to have a look over them, look for any cuts, scratches, bumps.
Yeah.
Ow! Ooh, hit my bum.